Please like and share and subscribe kay Shipam Japan. Hello everyone! So, nag-trending na naman sa social media ang sinuot na national costume ng kandidata from Masbate na sa Kisses de la Bin sa Miss Universe Philippines 2021. Ang kanyang national costume ay nilikha ng fashion designer na si Polly Lagyap. Si Polly Lagyap ay isa sa kilalang hardworking designers who created the fabulous national costumes for the Binibinis of the Binibining Pilipinas. At ngayon 2021 ay mas nakilala siya dahil sa pagiging personal designer ng mga sinusuot na gowns ni Kisses de la Bin. He said that the national costumes that he designed was inspired by Lapay. It is Masbate's most symbolic and culturally distinct bird. The white hovering seagull bird or great-billed heron is one of the most typical and beautiful scenes in Barangay Bantigue, Masbate. The unique tradition and colorful celebration, the Lapay Bantigue Dance Festival, imitated the graceful movement of Lapay birds. Mega love shoutout pala sa ating mga kaibig na nagbigay ng komento sa ating huling upload kay Nel2204, Maria Etrode Sipton, Ginny Braun, KJ Abelino Vlogs, Yams15 TV, Lydia Blaso at Jogal TV. Arigato gozaimasu sa inyong mga komento at panonood. Ohayo, Mami ng Japan, Kishipam Japan! Please subscribe and click the notification bell for more updates. Okay.